Hey there, friends! Have you ever felt like your website is that quiet kid sitting at the back of the class, completely invisible to the teacher, aka Google? Well, it's time to fix that. Today, we're diving into why Google might be ignoring your site and how to fix it. Ready for an SEO showdown? Let's go! Mistake number 1. Robots.txt is working against you. Your website could be a star, but you're the one blocking its spotlight. Check your robots.txt file. If it's blocking Googlebots, your site won't be indexed. Mistake number 2. Where's the map? Google is like a tourist, and your website is its map. No map, no visit. Make sure you have an XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console. Mistake number 3. Speed matters. Google loves fast websites. If your site loads like grandma's old modem, forget about indexing. Optimize your images, use caching, and check your server's performance. Mistake number 4. Low quality content. Copy-paste content is like cheating on a test. Google sees it and lowers your score. Create unique, valuable content that users will love. Mistake number 5. No links, no love. Your website is like an island with no bridge. Without links, Google can't reach it. Get high-quality backlinks to help Google discover your site. There you have it, -5 mistakes to avoid if you want Google to love your site. And if you want to speed things up, try SpeedyIndex. You can even test it for free. Add your links and see the results for yourself. Link in the description. See you in the next video.